Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, let's see how to install Go on Debian. How to install Golang on Debian. So let's search for install Go. Install Go. And I want to go to the official documentation. So I'll click there. And the first thing you'll need to do is to download Go. If I click on that, it's going to take me to where all the releases for Go are, and then I can select one. So I'm on Debian. I want to go with a Linux version. I will go with AMD64. If you're on Intel or AMD, this is the version you go with. If you are on any of the ARM processors, that's the one you go with, ARM64. Copy the link, copy the clean link for the AMD64 version. Let me open up my terminal. I want to do this in the temp. I want to download it in the temp directory. TMP. So let me download it first. wget. If you don't have wget, just install it. Ctrl Shift V to paste. Enter. So it's downloaded. So let's go back. And I can just click on the back button to go back to the instructions here. And if you already have other versions installed, you'll need to remove them so that you can get the new binary. I'll just copy the entire command, bring it to my terminal, Ctrl L to clear the screen. So I'll paste it, Ctrl Shift V, Ctrl A to go to the beginning. I know this is going to need sudo, so add sudo there. And on this other command as well, it's going to need sudo. So the first command just removes any version of Go that you have installed in that location. The second command is going to extract into that folder what you have just downloaded. And the latest version you've downloaded is shown there. So compare that with what you've downloaded. If there's anything to edit, make sure you edit it. So I will enter my sudo password. Right, there we go. So if I was to check this directory, ls, Ctrl Shift C, Ctrl Shift V, enter, Go is now downloaded and extracted. But if I do Go, you're going to see bash command not found. You can add the path to your Go bin into your user path. And that is also added here. So you can export that and add it to your path. You can add it to the home bash profile that you're using. Since I'm on Debian, I'm not going to add it into either. I'm going to add it into the default bash. So if I do sudo vi /etc/bash tab, let me see which bashes are here. Bash rc. So I will add it into this at the end of the file. Ctrl Shift G to go to the end of the line, and then I to go into insert mode. You can put a comment there, Go path, and then Ctrl Shift V to add the path for Go. So I will escape, Shift ZZ to save in Vim. And then after this, I can close the terminal. Let me just close the terminal. I don't want to type. So I'll just close the terminal and then open it again. And now if I do Go, we have Go installed. Is it Go version? Go version is 124 for Linux AMD64. All right. So you can go run something there. Go run whatever you want to run. All right, that is it. That's how to install Go on your Debian 12 or Debian 13. Until next time.